Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme. HUT shares plummet. Imbal equals David Pokima SRC equals https://simg co/authors/981/responsive images/dp media library original 300 JPEG class equals imfluid img circle loading equals auto David Pokima. Last updated January 19, 2024 554 EST2 min read. Img width equals 1200 height equals 686 SRC equals https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,666,439 Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet. JPEG class equals attachment post thumbnail size post thumbnail WP post image alt equals Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet decoding equals async SRC set equals https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,666,439 Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet. JPEG 1200 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,666,439 Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet 300x172. JPEG 300 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,666,439 Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet 1924x585. JPEG 1924 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,666,439 Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet 76 8x439. JPEG 768 WA https://cryptonews.com/wp content/upload/2024/1/1,705,666,439 Bitcoin miner Hut 8 accused of a pump and dump scheme shares plummet 150x6. JPEG 150 sizes equals max width 1200x100 WA 1200x/Bitcoin. Miner Hut 8 has been accused of hiding stock ownership in a perceived pump and dump scheme. The accusation comes from an unconfirmed report by JCapital Research. In a Jan 18 release, the firm leveled accusations against the Bitcoin miner stemming from its recent partnership with US Bitcoin USBTC, warning investors of potential trouble. The firm claims that USBTC promoters have a history of legal trouble. Additionally, accusers say the company has previously defaulted on loan payments and paid fines on 2 separate occasions. What's more, the firm alleged that the company's management hides stock ownership of the largest shareholders through an undisclosed related party. On Nov 30, the Canadian miners announced the partnership with USBTC, creating a new business partnership described as the biggest M and a transaction to have transpired within the digital asset industry, as the CEO of HUT8, Jamie Laverton, expressed optimism. The move created new HUT under the trading ticker NASDAQ. HUT and its price plummeted over 20% after the release of the report by JCapital. Allegations of a pump and dump scheme. According to the report, HUT 8 inherited a huge debt from the merger, with other flag details that concluded it was a pump and dumps target. An insider revealed that the merger was a godsend for USBTC, as the company would have gone bankrupt within weeks after the company lost about 50% of its miners in addition to other assets. The report added, "Our interviewee said that USBTC begged NYDIG to forgive the loan, but soon after Christmas was forced to surrender assets." HUT 8 managed to characterize this default as a $23.07 MLN gain on debt extinguishment, but it had started as a $24.02 MLN loss that the company fixed through an accounting sleight of hand. Abracadabra. Furthermore, the company states that the value of USBTC was 70% less, meaning HUT8 paid way more than expected. This is because the main asset of USBTC is not operating at optimal capacity to mine more Bitcoin. The co-founders also locked up a fraction of their shares in the company alongside claims of promoters linked with fraud claims, including charges from the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Ultimately, we strongly believe that HUT's shareholders are likely to feel the pain of being on the wrong side of an overlevered pump and dump, only to be left holding the most inefficient Bitcoin miner, which is unprofitable even at a Bitcoin price of over $60,000. At press time, HUT 8 is down by 23.49% due to the report, although the broader markets face a correction which has led to reduced miner prices. Marathon Digital Mara is down by 6.89%, while Riot Platforms has plummeted by 4.97%. Follow us on Google News.